Everybody, it is Ruthie Rocks with Jimmy Daig. Hi, Jimmy. Hi.
Morning.
It's a beautiful day in paradise, and today we're going to talk a little bit about like a quarter review, the first quarter review. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. So we're going to talk about what lies before us today. But first, I am going to go over the stats, Jimmy. So I will put you down a little bit in the lobby and hide our little quote of the day. So today we've got 20 days of inventory, 1,879 single family homes. We just listed 22 that were 450,000 and under, which gives us a total of 469 homes, 450,000 and under. We were at the rate of 130 sales per day, but yesterday with 107 closings, it brought us down to 127 sales per day. But we'll see, because we usually have a surge the last couple of days of the month. So I think that's going to go back up to 130. Everything else is kind of the same. You know, the investors are 37% of the market year to date, 45 sales a day, and you know, if you're not reaching out to investors, you're missing a big part of the market. So let's see, where did my Jimmy go? There you are. Yeah, here we come. So don't you think, Jimmy? I mean, that's a lot of investors buying homes every day.
It just goes to show that investors are not interest rate sensitive like the rest of the market. And investors are not going to go anywhere as long as all the forecasts for inflation are in place and everything that's going up with gas prices and everything else. The investors aren't going to go away.
No.
And here's the message. I think, you know, we've talked about plan, farm, database, plan, farm, database, plan, farm, database. If your plan isn't weighted a little bit towards finding some investors, some of your normal buyers are being priced out of the market right now. You're going to have to balance your business with more investors. You're going to have to find people that are sitting on a ton of equity, that because interest rates they're not done going up. And no. You made a comment on the show yesterday. You said, you know what, we kind of got sour on real estate, but we just bought a condo or whatever, and you pulled the money out of your house. And,
yes.
And if agents are not hearing that message, and agents are not taking that message to the street, say, look, you need to get some of this equity out of your house while you have all this equity, while rates are still only at 5%. They're 5%. That's all they are. And you can buy another house. And if the house goes up 8 or 9%, which that's realistic with inflation, you're making 3% on somebody else's money. They got to start thinking about the small mom and pop investor.
Absolutely, Jimmy. And you're doing something similar too. You're buying a house, right?
I'm working on it right now. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, having said